in goes this gorgeous chicken. Tablespoons of olive oil. I know it's strange that I'm actually going to measure it. It's at the top of my list for the most refreshing Mediterranean salad because it's healthy, it's very easy to make, and it's also very, very quick. So, without wasting any more time, let me introduce you how to make this amazing, refreshing, healthy salad. First thing we'll start with is the dressing. So I'll make this dressing, it can just sit here because this is a really easy salad and it's also quick. So let's start with 2 tablespoons of honey and that's 2 tablespoons of honey right there. The next thing I do is 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I know it's strange that I'm actually going to measure it. Four tablespoons of olive oil. We are going to cut a lemon and use the juice from half the lemon. If you want, you can always add more lemon. I think half a lemon should be enough, but it's up to your own taste. Okay, got 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, in that goes. I'm going to add salt. Don't over add the salt because you can always add more later. And pepper. Plenty of pepper. Give that a bit of a mix. If the honey is too cold, then you can always put it in the microwave for a few seconds, and that will make it much more usable. So you can see the dressing. All I have to do next is add 1 crushed clove of garlic. So I'll get back to you on that one. In goes the garlic. I don't want to overpower what is a really good salad with too much garlic. So you have to admit I'm being very cautious. When was the last time you saw me just put a little bit of garlic in or measuring my olive oil? Normally I don't do that, but I want to get this absolutely right. So the next thing I should do, and you should do as well, is taste it. Needs a bit more salt, but I can always add it later. But I think I'm going to put a little bit more lemon juice in this. I like lemon. You don't have to do it. Just that's my preference. Not the full half lemon. I've had another taste with the extra lemon, much better. So the dressing is done. So that can just sit there now till we get the rest of the salad prepared, and it won't take long at all. Okay, let's start with the chickpeas. So what I'll do is I'll drain the can and wash them. Here we go, the chickpeas are in. They're the first item to go in. So the next thing we'll do is chop up the tomatoes and put them in. Okay.
Ba ba da ba da ba da ba ba.
You can eat the whole parsley, obviously. The stems are very strong in flavour, and because they are, I will discard them. No, you don't have to discard them. You can just put them in a plastic bag and freeze them and use them at another time on another meal, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll put them aside, and there's another large stem trying to sneak in. So if you've been watching any of my videos, there's a very good chance that you've realised that I love parsley. So in that goes. The same thing with the mint. Now mint's has a very strong flavour, so you don't want to put too much in because it'll overtake everything else. So I'm just putting just these few leaves, and even this might be maybe too much, but anyway, get rid of the stems again, and it was hiding, trying to get in the salad. Bunch them together, and now that's probably, oh dear, more than, it's about 2 tablespoons, maybe a little bit more, but definitely don't want to put any more in. I don't anyway. If you like me, go for it. Now this is not your normal Italian basil. It grows most of the year, and the aroma is a lot more stronger. So I'm not going to put 2 tablespoons in. That should be plenty. So in that goes. So what's left to do? What's left to do is that, oops, that wasn't meant to happen. Let's try it again. What's left to do? Ta-da! That's better. Pomegranate. That's my secret ingredient. That's what I normally put into a Mediterranean salad. So again, I'm going to cut it in half and then take all the seeds out. I think I might get a bowl to do it in. Here's my bowl, here's the pomegranate. So I'm going to cut it in the bowl. We'll just peel all these beautiful little red rubies, which will add another dimension to this already healthy salad. And there's no way, well, at least I'm sure there is. I don't know of any other way, and to quite be honest, I haven't bothered to learn. This works for me. I'm sure there's other ways of doing it. If you can always, if you know a better way of doing this, let me know. But this is what I've always done, so I'll continue, I guess. Okay, it just works. That's half a pomegranate seeds. You know what? It's not enough. So what I will do is get the other half that I was planning on putting in the fridge, and I'm going to use that as well. Maybe that'll become too many seeds, but that are too many, they're not enough, I guess. So I'll get back to you when it's all done. Well, as it turns out, I used a quarter of that, and now I feel that there's plenty. So that's the beautiful part about my cooking. I will stick to the core ingredients and the core method, but if I need to change it, I don't hesitate, I will. I never cease to amaze myself. There's the cucumber. I'll give this a wash and then I'll cut it up. And there's the salad. Didn't take long at all. And let's just try a little bit. You don't need any more dressing. That is perfect. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching this amazing simple salad, which is so refreshing and healthy. And until next time, this is Alex, and goodbye.